Oil is getting hammered in London trade today, with Brent crude crashing through the $100 handle, a dramatic 3.5% plunge to 97.23. European equities closed broadly higher despite that energy rout. The FTSE 100 added 0.65% to 10,708, just off its session high. The DAX surged 0.89%, nearly touching the 25,000 mark before settling at 24,984, driven by a massive SAP earnings beat. The CAC 40 rose 0.45%, and the Euro Stoxx 50 gained 0.56%. But US futures tell a different story. Nasdaq futures are down 0.7%, hinting at a tech-led divergence when Wall Street fully opens. SAP was the standout winner, jumping nearly 7% after blockbuster quarterly results. HSBC and GSK both climbed over 1%. On the downside, ASML slid nearly 2% on semiconductor sector headwinds. BP and Shell dropped almost 1% each, weighed down by the collapse in crude prices, a direct reflection of demand fears and broader risk-off sentiment in energy. Gold crept higher to $4,063, up 0.32%, as investors hedged against the oil-driven uncertainty. Silver outperformed, rising 0.91% to $58.59. But the big story is crude. WTI fell 2.63% to $89.77, and Brent sank 3.44% to $97.23, both breaking key support levels on concerns about global demand and a potential OPEC+ response. Bitcoin slipped 1.12% to $64,092, with Ethereum down 1.53% as crypto sentiment tracked the broader risk-off tone. The dollar index held flat at 101.45 as markets digested the cross-asset moves. Dollar-yen edged up to 163.77, still near intervention territory. Dollar-won dropped 0.86% to 14.61, reflecting one's strength amid improving trade data. Dollar-sing was steady at 1.29. The euro and sterling barely budged, with euro to US dollar at 1.14 and pound sterling to US dollar at 1.33, as rate expectations remained muted. Looking ahead, the US session brings durable goods data and Fed speakers. Watch the S&P 500 futures support at 7,440. A break could accelerate the tech sell-off. Positioning: we favor gold over oil as the macro uncertainty builds. This is IBN 42 Wire. Stay sharp. Markets move fast. We break it down daily so you don't have to. Subscribe for your edge, delivered fresh every session.